Okay, so no slides from me. So let me just tell you a couple little stories. So for a long time, about 5 years, we've been working with law enforcement. And in particular, we've been trying to address with law enforcement two sort of really bad problems. One having the growth in the inner cities of gangs, and the other one having how those gangs sort of manifest themselves not only throughout the community, but also inside the correction facilities. So we have developed an application called Gary that actually is a handheld application that runs on iPhones and Android phones that allows field officers to take pictures of graffiti as they see it in the field, and then we can actually do automatic interpretation of what that graffiti image means. Now, it's important that you understand the difference between gang graffiti and graffiti art, or sometimes called tagging. This stuff is not pretty. It's sprayed very quickly, and then the person literally gets the hell out of there quick. Because in some cases, if they stick around to make it pretty, they may end up getting shot by a rival gang. So a gang graffiti is used to mark territory, to let people know you're in sort of this area. And it's insidious in large cities, particularly in Indianapolis. There's actually some gangs here in Tippecanoe County. So we've been working on this problem for about 3 years. We actually have our app is being used by the Cook County Sheriff's Department in Indianapolis, or the Indiana State Police. The other thing that happens, here's a little experience I think probably most of you haven't had here, but in most places in the United States, if you're arrested, and it looks like you're going to spend the night in jail, you're going to take all your clothes off, and somebody's going to look at you. And if you have any tattoos, those tattoos are going to be imaged, okay? Because a lot of times gang members wear tattoos, including we're now seeing tattoos on the face and on the eyeball. If you don't believe me, Google eyeball tattoos, and these tattoos will mark territory and a few other things, and they're used for controlling crime information. One of the things that that I'm sort of proud of, and this is projects my graduate students have done, a year and a half ago, the FBI had a gang tattoo contest. It was run by NIST, National Institute of Science and Technology. We finished first among all universities, second overall. The company to build this beat us was a multi-billion-dollar corporation that only finished 0.6 percentage points higher in accuracy than we did. They had like 5 full-time engineers working on it, and I had 2 PhD students working on it. So if you want to see what it looks like, the Gary system, it can be used for a lot of other things. We're also using the technology for one of the other things police are interested in, is they arrest somebody, and the guy has a handful of pills in his pocket. What are they? So we're also looking at taking pictures of the pharmaceutical and being able to identify what it is. So it's a really nice overall application. We're interested in talking to companies that might be interested in licensing the technology beyond law enforcement applications. If you go over to our booth, you can see a demo of it. You can even see some real gang tattoos if you want to see some real gang tattoos, and also some gang graffiti. And I think I'm going to stop there because you guys probably need to break. You don't need to have all these people talking at you. But why don't you come next door? We'll show you the Gary application. It's pretty neat, and like I said, it runs on iPhones and Android phones. And thank you very much for your attention.